Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class. This is Ahad bin Ismail. So, dear students of class 2, how are you? Today, I'll discuss with you about two very important things. In upcoming September, your half-year exam will be started, and I'll give some suggestions about answer writing and your question paper. So, let's see the advices. Dear students, you are given this type of answer spreads. See. Now you see. So you see that there are blank here. You write your name, then your class, your section, your roll number, your subject, and date. But don't touch here and don't touch here. As a student of class 2, you don't write anything. You don't touch here and you don't touch here. These are not for you. And also you don't touch in comment box. You just write your name clearly, class, section, roll, subject, and the exam day. Okay, now first I will say one mistake that some of the students in our experiences, we see that some of the students, they start their writing from here. You see, from this side, but you never write anything in this side. You must start from this side. You start your writing from here. Okay, so before you start your writing, you do what I do. You see, you fold this, and also you fold in this way, two sides, so that it becomes easier to go in one after one next pages. Okay, so that this will be properly maintained. Yeah, you see, you start your writing. Yeah, then in this way you can go one after one, so that your answer scripts will be perfect. Okay, now you see, first, before you start your writing, you must maintain proper margin. You see. So margin is very important, you see. So you see that margin is very important. You maintain proper scaling. Yeah, this way. Okay, dear students, so you maintain your margin. Okay, after this, you start your writing from here. You write here, answer the question number. If you write question number 1, then you write question number 1. If you write question number 2, then you write question number 2. So you start your writing by writing here answer to the question number, then write your answer. Okay, so here you see that we have seen that some of the students, they write above of the scale. Now you must write from here, start from here. Okay, under your scale. Okay, now one very important thing, when your answer is finished, say for example your question number 1 is finished, you don't write question number 2 not giving the space. You don't do this. After finishing your question number 1, you give space. You give space and then you write your next question. But some of the students, they don't give their space and start writing. No, you must maintain proper spacing. Say for example, you write one word and another word. Give space, between two words and two lines. Say for example, one line, then space, then another line, then space, then another line, then space, then another line. One word, then space, another line. Space, one word, space, another word. Space, another word. Space, another word. In this way, if you write, then this by maintaining proper spacing, then your writing looks smart. Another thing that when you write your answer, you don't overwrite your answer. Dear students, when you write your answer, you see, don't overwrite. Say for example, you write a word in this way. You write a word. Say for example, you write answer. Say this is the correct spelling, but by mistake you have written answer. So you are writing in this way. So this is bad, that you are overwriting again and again. It looks bad. So if you see that if you do any mistake in spelling, say for example answer, so just you do in this way, not overwrite more. Another important thing that some of the students, they, when they write their answers, they don't maintain punctuation marks properly, like full stop, like comma, like capital letter, like small letters, like these are the punctuation marks. So they don't maintain the punctuation marks properly. So you must be careful about writing the punctuation marks properly. When you finish any sentence, you give full stop. If there is interrogative sentence, you give question marks. If you write a sentence and there are comma, giving comma is required, then you must give comma in there. So you must maintain proper punctuation marks. You must write this. You must write it properly. Okay, now I'll discuss about the marking systems. Before starting that things, I want to say you that this proper scaling, answer to the question number 1, question number 2, this writing, this proper spelling, and your fresh handwriting. If there is no erasing, no overwriting, then you see that if you make your copy in that way, then you get extra marks. But if there will be no scaling, no answer to the question number 1, your mark will be deducted. So be careful about it. And another important thing is that you must write your answers for English or other subjects. You must write in cursive. Cursive writing is mandatory for everyone. So you must write your answers by cursive writing. Okay, now coming discussion about questions. So in your English first part, you see that there are 5 questions. So in number 1, you see that they write the meaning of the following words in English. You see that there are these questions. Each word carries 1 mark. And you have to write, dear students, you have to write 10 words. But you are given extra words. Say for example, 2 extra words are given, 12 words. So you have to write 10 words. In last exams, we have seen that some of the students, say for example, dog is a word. So dog meaning, in Bangla, 1 or 2 students, they have written dog means kukur, but you don't write kukur. This is Bengali meaning, but in here you must write the meaning in English. So in Question number 1, you write the meaning of the word in English. Be careful about it. So 10 words are, the 12 words are given. You have to write 10 words. For each words, you get 1 mark. Now, question number 2, make meaningful sentences with the following words. In make sentence, you have to write 5 make sentence, 5 sentences, and 5 words are given. By using these 5 words, you will make 5 sentences, and each. Okay, dear students. Now, question number 3, you have to write rhyme. Say, for example, I'm showing you one rhyme. This is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So, dear student, you see that before starting this rhyme, you see that in your question, there was written, write the rhyme, say for example, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? So, you write it as a headline. First, write the headline of the rhyme. First, write the headline, then you start writing your rhyme. And when you write your rhyme, you see that you have to maintain the lines properly. Maintain the lines, one after one. This line, this line, this line, this line. You have to maintain the lines properly with proper punctuation marks. You see comma. You see here this sign. You see here question mark. This sign. So when you write the rhyme, you write your rhyme by giving comma, full stop, question mark where it is required. Now, question number 4, you have fill in the blanks, and fill in the blanks you can write A, B, C, D, only just you can write the answer. Don't write, it's not necessary to write the full sentence. You just give the blank. You just write the appropriate words, then it's okay. No need to write, it's not necessary to write the full sentence. And now, jumble words. They make complete sentence with jumble words. You see, there you write full sentence. Correct? You complete your sentence, and this will be a meaningful, grammatically correct sentence. And here also, you start your sentence by giving the capital letters, and after finishing the sentence, you give full stop. And if it is interrogative sentence, you give question mark. So, dear students, these are all about your first half yearly class 2 first paper question answer writing. So you must maintain this properly and be careful about writing the answers. Don't overwrite. You see English way, no erasing, overwriting. You must try to maintain your answer scripts. Try to write the answers properly with fresh handwriting and cursive handwriting. So dear students, it's all for today. So before finishing my class, I want to request all of you, please smile. Thank you.